Hello, it's Emily from Team Draw.io, and in this video, we're going to be going over the basics of how and when to use layers in your Draw.io diagrams. There are many instances in which you'd benefit from using layers while diagramming, but first, let's learn how to create them quickly and easily. Open up the Layers panel from the top left corner. Create a new layer by clicking the plus sign, and double-click the new layer to rename it. Repeat this process until you have as many layers as you need. Add shapes to each individual layer at a time by selecting the layer and adding shapes to the canvas. When you have a shape selected, the Layers panel tells you which layer you're on by marking it with a little black dot. If you already have a diagram in the works but want to separate things into layers, select all the entities you want in a single layer. Select the desired destination layer, highlighted in blue, and cut and paste into that layer by holding Command and pressing X and then pressing V on your keyboard. We can also add shapes to existing layers by selecting our shapes, then clicking the three dots in the Layers panel, and choosing our destination layer. And now we can choose which layers we want to show and hide anytime we need. So that's how to use the Layers function in Draw.io, but now when are we going to use it? Layers are an essential feature when you want to create things like interactive diagrams or complex mind maps. For example, here we have a floor plan that we've made interactive. We can toggle layers on and off using buttons we've created, and this use of layers is especially helpful if you want to add ease to the user's interaction with a diagram. When you have many layers in a diagram such as this, make sure when you're finished with a specific layer to lock it by clicking the lock icon in the Layers panel to prevent accidental changes or movement. We have an entire in-depth video on how to create interactive diagrams like this that you can find either checking out the description below or by clicking the card that's shown in the top right corner of the video now. We also have a blog explaining this exact example that I've linked down below. Now, what about making diagramming easier for not the user, but the creator? You and your team have brainstormed a complex mind map over the last few weeks, and you knew that the best way to keep things organized and efficient is by using layers. By utilizing the toggle feature, you're now able to focus on one area of your mind map at a time, allowing for easier, less overwhelming modification of your complex diagrams. I hope you found our video helpful, and if so, we have so many more on our channel for whatever questions you might have. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to always catch our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.